Good day to everyone. Can you see anything? Can you see? Yes, you can see faces of animals and you can see birds also. Do you know, kids? Even the birds and animals have their own way of talking. Do you talk to your parents, your friends? आप बात करते हो वैसे even animals and birds also talk. But they have different sounds. They all have different sounds. So today what we are going to learn? Sounds of animals. What sound does a cat make? A cat mews. Repeat after me. A cat mews. What sound does a monkey make? A monkey whoops. A monkey whoops. What sound does a dog make? A dog barks. Bhaw bhaw. कैसे करता है? Bhaw bhaw. And we say it barks. What sound does a cow make? A cow moos. A cow moos. What sound does a cock make? A cock crows. A cock crows. What sound does a goat make? A goat bleats. A goat bleats. What sound does a donkey make? A donkey brays. A donkey brays. What sound does a sparrow make? A sparrow chirps. Repeat after me. A sparrow chirps. What sound does a lion make? लायन की साउंड कैसे होती है? बहुत तेज होती है. A lion roars. A lion roars. What sound does a crow make? A crow cows. A crow cows. What sound does an elephant make? An elephant trumpets. An elephant trumpets. Frog croaks. Frog croaks. Duck quacks. Duck quacks. Horse knees. Horse knees.